I did it for TikTok.
Yo, I bought a 613 wig from Shein. Oh my god. Actual human hair. 22 inches. 13 by 4.
So yellow. Hey my loves, welcome to my channel, and today I will be reviewing this wig that I got from Shein 613 wig. So first I ended up toning it. I will list the toner products in the description box below. Also, I have it in the video. So to remove the brassiness and yellowness from the hair, I start by letting it soak in some Shimmerlight shampoo, wait for like 10 minutes. And then you should see the yellowness of the hair go away. And this is when I toned the hair, because I really like ash blonde on darker skin tones like myself. But yeah, you guys, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I only put 2 boxes of toner in there. I am not a chemist, so once I saw the hair was saturated with product, I didn't see the reason to put even more product in there. But that was just my opinion. But yeah, I just put 1 bottle of the toner, and then I used the toner bottle to measure out 2 bottles of developer. So it's 1 part toner to 2 parts developer. And like I said, I am not an expert, so I mixed the toners together. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. So if you're looking for professional advice, I am not one. I just did whatever. I was just trying to tone the hair. So then, oh yeah, make sure you're wearing gloves, because this is chemicals. Also, it's gonna be a strong smell too. Like, you're dealing with chemicals. My brother was being so dramatic. He was like, I can't breathe. But yeah, so be wary. It's pretty strong. So once I mixed the toners together, I mixed only the T15 with the sand blonde, and it made like this orangey shade. And then I was like, okay, that looks alright. I focused on the roots more. I wanted the roots to be darker than the rest of the hair, because you know, I like darker roots on my skin. And then I went throughout the rest of the hair, making sure it was saturated with the toner. I am not sure this is correct, but that's how I did it, and I like the results. So, and after that, I let it sit for like 30 minutes, I would say 30-45 minutes. And I cleaned the sink because I was scared it's gonna stain. I think it did stain a little bit, so don't do this on the sink that's like white. I bleached it, I plucked it, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. And then after that, I'm about to install it right now. Hopefully it turns out good. Don't judge me too hard. I am not a stylist. I just wanted to try out this Shein wig for you guys. It was requested, you know. This is for y'all. So I'm just cutting out the holes for my ears so my wig cap can lay flat, and I can spray my red spray to do the ball cap method. So after the spray dries up, that's when I start cutting off the excess bald cap pieces. Now the lace is pretty ashy, so to help it blend better, I put some foundation inside the wig, and then I sprayed it with some got2b spray so it doesn't interfere with my lace glue. Or I'm not gluing it down, but it doesn't interfere with my lace spray. So then I put some foundation on my bald cap, and then I cleaned up the makeup on my forehead, the actual skin. I'm sorry if my bald cat look a little bit choppy. I know. And then I cut out the combs off the wig. I don't like combs on my wig. I only keep the one in the back, but the other combs, I take them off. And these slits help me glue the wig down in sections rather than the whole thing at once. And you want to make sure that when you're using the spray that you completely dry that section from moving on to the next section, because your bald cap might lift up if you don't let it completely dry with the wig on top of your bald cap and all that other stuff. And I feel like combing with the ragtail comb really helps to make the wig lace actually stick onto your forehead rather than just placing it there. Like, make sure you dig in. Okay, this part might look very weird. It's very much optional, but sometimes I use my tweezers to help me cut if I want to like cut a small section. I know it looks weird, but it helps for me. After cutting off the lace, I go ahead and lay it down for like 20 minutes. Then I try to define a part. I decided to go with a side part this time, and I do pluck a little bit where the part is, but technically I can't really see, so I just be plucking what I can. And then after that, I go in with the wax stick, and then I hot comb my part to make sure it's still fine. I also add a little bit of foundation where the part is, so you don't see those little white dots in the middle too if you can't pluck them out. This is edgeless. I think I'm gonna add a little soup in there. Make sure the edges are not cut straight or anything. I move my scissor up and down and cut it jaggedly. And I did like 3 edges on the side. I didn't do the whole head. I mean, if you want to, you can, but I didn't see the point of doing that. And to swoop my edges, I just use some got to be at the base, like near at the lace, and then I sprayed my brush with some got to be spray, and I just swooped it. I just wanted a softer baby hair look. Reintroducing myself, I think it came out really cute. It was less than $200 for 613 hair. Where you gonna find that at? And it was 22 inches. I'm kind of tall, so I'm gonna turn around to show y'all. I would say it's definitely a buy for the price, honey. If you're looking for, you know, affordable 613 hair that's human, it's kind of big head friendly. It was on the side for me, because on the side it fits, but barely. Like, yeah, barely fits. It's pretty good though, because I've had smaller wigs. I have a big head too. Honestly, this is my first time. I am not a hair guru. My fashion, I don't do hair, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I did based on my experience level, which is nothing. Okay? I'm not certified in hair. I do makeup, but not hair. This is the best I could do. I even tried to curl it. My arms got tired. She did their thing for the price. Honey, this is a $150 wig. 22 inches. Go get you some. Go get you some. But yeah, so I don't got money to be spending more wigs like this, so I might just dye this orange. But I already done orange. Let me know what color I should do next one up. Is it cute? Is it dark skin friendly? Like, did I do a good job? Because I don't do hair. It's curled. I wanted it to be like a little bit curled, whatever, but it wasn't working out for me. And I'll see you on the next video. Click that little bell so that you're notified when I post, because, you know, since I'm a smaller YouTuber, that would really help. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.